Okay, so as most of you guys have noticed, behind me I have our letter X anchor chart, and I went ahead and added in the words that you guys submitted to me. I may have forgotten one of them. I think I forgot to put Knox, but I will add that one in. At the top, we have a picture of a fox, 6, fix, max, mix, an ox, box, fax, and tax. And those are all words that end in the letter X. All right, I'm going to go ahead and explain today about our read aloud. We do not have a new read aloud today because we are comparing our two stories from the last 2 days, which was the 3 Little Pigs, and the other one was the 3 Little Wolves and the Big Bad Pig. So we are going to rewatch those stories, and then whenever we meet today during our Zoom meeting, we're going to compare and contrast those two stories. So all you're doing this time is just listening to see if maybe you can come up with some more ideas of what they have the same and what they have that's different. Remember, that's what compare and contrast means. I'm going to flip my paper over just so that you guys can see our compare and contrast. And I will put this up inside our Google Classroom so that you guys can copy it down. But I just want to go over our anchor chart quickly. So at the top, I put that we are comparing and contrasting, so compare and contrast. And then I drew 2 big circles, and they overlap each other, which means they like touch each other. And then on this side, we have the 3 Little Pigs. And then on this side, we have the 3 Little Wolves. And then down here, I put that this circle, this outside of the circle, and this outside of the circle, what's different. And then I have an arrow pointing down to the middle that says that this is what they have the same. That is comparing and contrasting. Today is our very last day with comparing and contrasting. We already compared and contrast shapes. We compared and contrast 2D and 3D. We compare and contrasted characters in a story. We compared and contrast the make of different kinds of books, whether it was fiction or nonfiction. And now we are doing our last part of compare and contrast, and we are going to compare the 3 Little Pigs to the 3 Little Wolves. And like I said, we will talk about this later on today during our Zoom meeting. I will see you guys soon. Bye.